let's talk about how to clean your tea kettle. So it only takes a few ingredients, and most generally you probably have this in your kitchen. So the first thing I put in is I cut up a lemon into quarters, and then I just squeeze the juice out into the bottom of the tea kettle. Then I add some ice, a dash of salt, and some water. So I have all the ingredients inside of here, right inside of the kettle right now. So you just want to give it a good whirl and make sure the lemon, the salt, the ice, and the water all get mixed up pretty good in there. And I'm just going to show you. Then of course dump out the water. But I just want to show you how sparkling clean the bottom of my tea kettle is now. You can do this with your coffee pots as well if you have stains on them. But yeah, quick tip. Have a great day.